Nasaan na yung land title ni Gani? Tinakas ko lang yun.
Nakapag-reproduce na ako ng copies ng titulo na yan. Ipapakita ko sa kausap ng buyer. But first, kailangan ko mabili ang lupa ni Gani for 20 million, which I'm willing to finance, but under the name of Mr. Chua. Saka na natin doblehin yung presyo pag ipapasa na natin sa totoong buyer.
Nakausap mo na ba si Mr. Chua? Malinaw na ba sa kanya ang arrangement na magiging dami natin siya? Baka sumabi tayo, ha?
Huwag mo na problemahin si Mr. Chua. Ako na bahala doon. Ang problemahin mo, yung asawa mo.
Pumayag na siyang magbenta ng lupa. It's done deal. At sisiguraduhin kong hindi magbabago ang isip niya. Tinatakot na ako ng pinagkakautangan ko.
Nandyan sa USB ang soft copy ng project proposal. Lahat ng plano nakalatag na. Makikita mo sa blueprint na sa lupa mismo ni Gani itatayo ang hotel at casino.
And because Gani's land is the main attraction, yung surrounding lots ng mga locals, pwede natin i-jack up ang value, right? And Gani's land, ang ilalabas mo dun pera, is 20 million. Again, under Mr. Chua's name. Pero kapag ibinenta na natin yun sa totoong buyer, I want the asking price to be at 50 million.
50 million?
How's your meeting with Miss May and Sir Drew? I'm sure you're very happy to see your brother again.
Yeah, no, I think it went well. Although I would like to get to see Drew more often. I don't see him very much. Anyway, how's the rest of the afternoon look?
Let me check. You have an interview with some friends from the international press at Mirai Tower later at 6 p.m. And your dad is asking if you could join him and Miss May for a dinner at 7.
Okay, perfect. Dang, is it just me? Or is everyone looking at me in a weird way?
It's probably nothing.
Okay. See? Strange.
Ayan si Macho Smith alias Victor Johnson. Yan yung walang yung scammer ko. Macho Smith, a.k.a. Victor Johnson. In-scam ako. In-scam ako niyan mga yan eh. Ayan o. Ay, ganito sa 300,000 ko, no?
Wawa naman si Binibining Marikit.
Scammer.
Walang puso. Makarma ka sana, Matthew. Liar. Evil. Go to hell.
Anong 50 million?
Mahal, 50 million yung estimated value ng property mo. I mean, yung lupa natin. At yung mga mabibentang lupa ng mga community.
I'm sorry. May hinahabol ako meeting. I'll update you once na ready na lahat para sa contract signing.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Enriquez.
Bakit di mo sinabing makikipagkita ka kay Mr. Enriquez?
Kung magsalita ka naman, mahal, parang may ginagawa akong masama. Samantalang yung anak mo na nagpunta ng Japan, without your knowledge, okay lang sa'yo.
Bakit yung anak ko na naman ang pinag-iinitan mo? Kuha mo ba nasita kita? Isa lang yung smart pinagtataka ko. Parang marami kayong sinisikreto sa akin.
Wala akong tinatago sa'yo. Wala akong sikreto.
Talaga? Bakit sinabi sa akin ni Ikit nag-text pala siya bago siya umalis? Hindi lang yan. Maraming beses na itong nangyayari. Bakit parang laging ibang sinasabi mo sa sinasabi ni Ikit?
I'm the boss here. I'm the boss here. Nobody talks to me like that. Mukha mo, bang yabang nito. Kala mo kung sino ka. Viral ka talaga ngayon dahil ipopost kita sa lahat ng mga social media ko. Lagot ka sa mga subscriber at mga followers ko. Viral ka. Tinan mo ako. Gabo nito. Pogi ka lang. Hindi ka balbon. Post-post ka pa, ha? Nandiyan ka. Umanda ka sa akin. Sabi nga ni Tito Mike, hindi kita tatantanan. Guwapo ka lang, pero hindi. Sa mga ugali mo.
As you all know, Dream Paradise Resort was built with a vision in mind to provide our guests with luxury and relaxation from all over the world. And I'm excited to announce that we're expanding to the beautiful country of the Philippines. And it's particularly special to me because it's the birthplace of my stepmom. We have the goal in mind to provide our guests with a unique experience, the culture that Philippines has to offer.
Hi!
You know what? There's a beautiful and tasty restaurant right down the street. Why don't we continue this nice conversation over there? All right, my treat.
Hoy, huwag kang kikilos sa masama!
God, I do not believe it. Mishiba, can you please escort our guests to the restaurant?
Okay, sure.
Everything's on the house. I'll be with you shortly.
案内しますので、どうぞ。
Thank you, Mishiba. My God, you've got to be kidding me. What? Do you really think it's a good idea to follow me wherever I go? What do you want? Listen, please stop harassing me. All right?
Hoy, kulang pa yan sa lahat ng ginawa mo sa akin. Because you are a bad person. O sige, pero okay lang yun. Kakalimutan ko na dinurog mo yung puso ko, pero just give me my money. Magnanakaw ka.
It's getting ridiculous. I don't owe you any money, okay? So, why do I have to deal with all this craziness? Why did you post on social media and try to tarnish my name? You don't know who I am. I don't know who you are. So who are you to judge me and my life? I'm gonna help. What do you want? Do you want a picture, an autograph? Do you want a kiss? Is that what you want? I'm gonna tell you one more time. I don't owe you any money. And even if I did, what are you gonna do if I don't pay you? Looks like you're busted now.
Hoy! Kahit saan ka pumunta, saan tingin kita?
Kahit naman matuloy ito, mas malaki pa rin ang kikitain ninyo sa mga pagbebentahang lupa.
Danny?
Anong ibig sabihin ito, Rina?
Kala mo susuko ako? Kala mo matitinag ako? Akala mo mapapalit mo ako dito, Ambaw? Umulan, bumagyo, ayos lang!